So in the beginning was the word. Let's say that there was a divine being, the waters where everything was dense and held together. This is their Big Bang. Okay? They just try to explain it scientifically, but in all actuality, this has been explained before over and over again, but now they call it mythology. They've been told the story over and over and over again that it started with water, or it started with a point that was so dense, okay, that the type of chaos was damn near unfathomable for human beings. That when you condense reality to a dot, if all the universe that you have now, okay, the realm that you exist in or dimensions you exist within now, were to be brought down to this right here, okay, this would be similar to a black hole, the singularity point, and it would be chaotic. So let's say someone was to come through and release a gas in this right here, okay? So let's say I spoke a word in the beginning. What happens when human beings or any of these beings breathe out? And we hear a lot about breath, especially in the book of Genesis, when they're forming this, what they call a creation or formation, okay? When we breathe out, what do we release? We release what's known as carbon dioxide. If you release a gas in a system that's dense and chaotic, it'll cause what's known as an explosion. So it'll cause an explosion, okay? Where certain existences were there before the existence we know of now, and there were conditions before everything that we have now that existed as what they're calling nothingness before the formation of that which we call it things. So you have a gas that even if just a small bit of it were to be introduced to a system such as this, there would be an explosion. There would be what they call a Big Bang. And from that Big Bang, there would be an explosion that reached out in every direction, which I told y'all was what?